In your building? Second floor?
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far. Scanning the
Well, that's a full 3-man in that build.
Dude, I just whiffed so hard on that Newcastle. I literally wasted 3k rebuilds on him because he was
It's
just.
because we'll have to go out.
He got that movement.
Yeah, we had height, so yeah. Ah.
What is fun?
10 seconds to the ring.
He's just alone in fucking rooftop. Nobody shoots him.
Bro, not you blaming us for dying.
I'm not blaming you. I just said nobody shoots them.
Last squad.
Just going at your fat.
Enemy shield. Reloading. Need to recharge my
I'm
shield.
batting Sen. Bro, I literally can't see this guy. I killed him.
Reloading. Enemy down.
I can't see him. There's smokies everywhere. It's crazy.
That's only because I had a twitchy. That banger literally dropped in my head.
I had no idea where he was. I heard your footsteps, I heard his. Everyone was just everywhere.
Champions.
Yeah, everyone was everywhere. This fucking Bloodhound got mad at us for him dying.
Yeah,
Like,
he really
okay.
didn't need the chow dot.
No, I don't know why he didn't just come like this way with me.
Yeah, we both went up to height where we were safe, and he was just kind of chilling on a building. 3K badge, let's go, I'm nuts.
Wait, Sean didn't even fucking text me or anything. He's in here. Oh
He
yeah,
just
we
joined.
3-stacking. We 3-stacking rank. I mean, Pubs, yeah.
Yeah, I might as well have been ranked.
I know. I was
There's so many
angry.
people.
Hi, J King. Thank you so much for the 100 biddies, J King. Thank you. Hi, Date. Bye, you. Date, bye, you. Bye. How do I say your name? A date. Date. Hello. Thank
So
you for the
Vantage
birthday
is
wish.
meta.
GG's.
She's really nice. For ranked, it just, I mean, like, you just have to not, like, play around her, obviously. You just have to, like, play to her, like, get
Hi,
zone and, like, shoot kids coming in the zone. Like, you really have to worry about it.
LOL.
You don't want to have her as a
Oh,
character, like,
no.
chasing zone the whole game like we usually are.
I got
Best character in the game.
Yeah,
frosting.
she's pretty nice. I mean, the info's not bad.
I got frosting on
And
my.
it feels
I've
like our
had-
sniper literally has aim assist.
She's literally my favorite character now.
Yeah, she's pretty fun.
Does your sniper have aim assist? I swear to God, it does. There's no way these randoms are hitting me like that from across the map.
Bro, I swear, like, well, I mean, like, there's just, have you used her at all, Mel?
No.
I mean, like, when you snipe with her, like, if it's past a certain distance,